Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable spicy mode in Grok AI step by step. Let's get started. Open Play Store and follow my video. Next, make sure your app is updated. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. Now, open the Grok AI app on your device. Now log into your Grok account. Click on Skip. Now, select your birth date from the options provided. Click on Save. That's it for today. Like, share, and subscribe for more.